All right, time to take a look at the Velway fire pit cover. This looks like we do got a little pouch for it, so that's nice. Okay. Cool. So this is the outside texture. This is what you're going to be seeing. And then on the inside, we've got what looks like a much more rainproof cover. So we're not going to have to worry about water penetrating this. So that's good. We do got some branding on it. And we got our tie downs right here. And these are clip style. So that's going to be nice. And it looks like you can cinch these things up too to make sure that we got a good tight fit no matter what style of fire pit we got. So that's good. So we got those on all four corners. And we also got this what looks like kind of a cinching strap. So it's just Velcro. And then we do have handles on the sides. So let's go ahead and get this on the fire pit and see what it looks like. Cool. It's a good fit. Just kind of stretch that in. We don't have to worry about that blowing off. Cool. That is just about a perfect fit. So that'll work.